In this video, I'll guide you through how to save open tab when you close Chrome browser. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, to open one of the Chrome window which you add on Chrome tab. Now click on the first one and right click on it. Now you need to click on Add tab to new group and then type your group name. And then choose the color and hit Enter key. Then click the second tab and then hover your mouse on Add to Group and choose the tab. Again do the same for next one. Now click on this Chrome tab, then all of the Chrome window will be hidden. Let's close the Chrome profile. After open the Chrome profile, you will find your tab here. Let's click on it. Then all the Chrome window will be open. If you didn't find it, then click on the third icon and click on Tab Group. Now choose a tab. By following this tutorial, you can easily save open tab when you close Chrome browser.